Probability of an event. In mathematical language, when possibility of an expected event is expressed in number, it is called probability. It is expressed as a fraction or percentage using the following formula. For a random experiment, if sample space is S and A is an expected event, then probability of A is P of A. It is given by following formula. P of A is equals to number of sample points in event A upon number of sample points in sample space, which is equals to N of A upon N of S. Note, probability is always between 0 and 1. Maximum is 1 and minimum is 0. Let's see a small example. Find the probability of getting head when one coin is tossed. Let S be the sample space. S is equals to H, T and N of S is equals to 2. Let event A be getting head. A is equals to H. N of A is equals to 1. P of A is equals to N of A upon N of S, which is equals to 1 by 2. Practice makes man perfect. Without wasting time, let's start with problems. Practice set 5.4. Question number 3. There are 15 tickets in a box, each bearing one of the numbers from 1 to 15. One ticket is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability of event that the ticket drawn shows an even number, shows a number which is a multiple of 5. Solution. Sample space S is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 15. Therefore, N of S is equals to 15. Let A be the event that the ticket drawn shows an even number. Therefore, A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Therefore, N of A is equals to 7. Therefore, probability of A is equals to N of A upon N of S, which is equals to 7 by 15. Now, let B be the event that the ticket drawn shows a number which is a multiple of 5. Therefore, B is equals to 5, 10, 15. Therefore, N of B is equals to 3. Therefore, probability of B is equals to N of B upon N of S, which is equals to 3 by 15. Therefore, probability of B is equals to 1 by 5. Therefore, probability of A is equals to 7 by 15 and probability of B is equals to 1 by 5. Question number 4. A two-digit number is formed with digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. What is the probability that the number formed is an odd number, a multiple of 5? Solution. Sample space S is equals to 23, 25, 27, 29, 32, 35, 37, 39 and so on. Therefore, N of S is equals to 20. Let A be the event that the number formed is an odd number. Therefore, A is equals to 23, 25, 27, 29, 35, 37, 39, 53, 57, 59, 73, 75, 79, 93, 97 and 95. Therefore, N of A is equals to 16. Therefore, probability of A is equals to N of A upon N of S, which is equals to 16 by 20. Therefore, probability of A is equals to 4 by 5. Let B be the event that the number formed is a multiple of 5. Therefore, B is equals to 25, 35, 75 and 95. Therefore, N of B is equals to 4. Therefore, probability of B is equals to N of B upon N of S, which is equals to 4 by 20. Therefore, probability of B is equals to 1 by 5. Therefore, probability of A is 4 by 5 and probability of B is 1 by 5. Question number 5. A card is drawn at random from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is an ace, a spade. Solution. There are 52 playing cards. Therefore, N of S is equals to 52. Let A be the event that the card drawn is an ace. Therefore, n of A is equals to 4. Therefore, probability of A is equals to n of A upon n of S, which is equals to 4 by 52. Therefore, probability of A is equals to 1 by 13. Let B be the event that the card drawn is a spade. Therefore, n of B is equals to 13. Therefore, probability of B is equals to n of B upon n of S, which is equals to 13 by 52. Therefore, probability of B is equals to 1 by 4. Therefore, probability of A is equals to 1 by 13 and probability of B is equals to 1 by 4. All the solution of the problems are documented in the description. If you have any doubts in any problem, please refer to it. Thank you for watching the Academic Squad.